know I video this right, like set it to your man. Let's get started. Today we're gonna draw the back room. Enter me. Enemy back rooms. Hindi kita. First, I'm going to draw the head. Ito na guys. Now the arm. The two arm. And first this one. Now let's do Minecraft background. I will start it on my server. Now we're playing Minecraft. It's loading. Now is this good? This is super soft. That one. That is super soft. Backroom lang ang gagawin natin. Umilit ako sa ad. Ayan na, hindi na pala. Ito na. Ready or not? Yes. My man. Uy, I survival. Babe, papakita ko sa'yo pagtapos na ako mag-build. Yellow wool ang ginagamit ko para makabuild ng background. Binigay ko muna kay mama yung cellphone kasi merong natawag. Ito na, mag-araw na ako. Almost there. Guys, I will done the background, but guys, this was the look like background. Wow. Yep, I made this. Wait, how I did this cake? There's the end. The end. The end. The end. The end. Wait, what is that? Wait, the. I back to the super. That was done. This background. I really
Nak, yan mabilis na at may maaga palang pasok mo ngayon. May exam pala kayo, tama na yan.
Bye!